Every thought, word, and action have the possibility to create unity or separation. The Blessism for unity is all about striving to create that sense of unity within all your relationships, even within difficult relationships or times of division. You can learn from everyone. You can choose to be kind and loving or choose to be hurtful. Taking the time to bless and create unity within your relationship is a love skill you can strive to master. This Blessism is also related to love skill number 33, Create Unity, from Scott and Shannon Peck's best-selling book, Love Skills You Were Never Taught. Let's get to this wonderful Blessism now. I bless every thought, word, and action today. Each and every thought, word, and action have the possibility to create unity or separation. I strive to create unity today, even within difficult relationships or times of division. I can learn from everyone. I can choose to be kind and loving or choose to be hurtful. I choose to be kind and loving today and every day. Creating unity within my relationships is a love skill I strive to master. May others feel more loved in my presence as I choose words that unite instead of separate. I bless everyone with love today. So take some time now to meditate on how you can create more unity in your life. Thanks for joining me on the Gratitude Project, 365 days of gratitude and mindful blessings for a happy, healthy, healed you. To find out more about Blessisms, check out our website at mindfullyblessed.com. And be sure to visit our podcast network site, gratitude365life.com.